Here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the 9k daily on Binance using Kuda. So most people have been coming for my head like, Perovia, where is the 9k daily on your video? So guys, I didn't complete the video, so pardon me. Just the video actually went so much views on the video and so much attackers on the video. Please calm down. Some people said that I'm doing yeah, I'm doing well, all right, let's go to the business of the day. Binance. Okay, so the first thing why I said Kuda is that most people have been asking me about Kuda, that I should teach them about how to avoid the charges. That if I was telling them about to be collecting transaction charge, that charge, that if they now transfer the money, that it looks like they're going to be spending up to 18 naira. So I made the video. Those set of people already understood, but the people that are shouting and people that have not watched my first video. So guys, I don't know. Okay, I'll look for that link of the video and drop on this video. So go and check my video on how to make 5k daily on Binance. Just like the first scroll on my other videos and watch. So if you watch that video, you can watch the other Kuda video. Then you come and watch this one. You understand everything I'm saying. But if you watch only that one video, I have not watched the other ones, then you don't understand. Then I didn't do you anything. Okay, so this is Binance app. So what we do is that we send payment through Kuda while buying crypto. Now, I shared 3 strategies on my YouTube recently. The first strategy I shared on my YouTube is the one that involve that first one that I shared. It involves transaction charge, number one. Now it involves you placing ad, and some people told me that ads, either the account we are blocked or ads stop working. Now I shared a strategy on how you can still charge fee, but you won't say it's transaction fee. You say 100 naira to complete your trade. Okay, and I made an explanation just to tell you that you also justify. Even Binance charges transaction charge to complete their own trade. And Binance charges their own charge to complete their own trade. Now I give you a scenario. You want to buy crypto. If you're using your Zenith account, for example, and you're sending to a account like GTB, if you send more than 10k or 10k, you will charge 15 naira per transaction, stamp duty. Now, I've been able to avoid all the stamp duty in this world because of my Kuda app. So I showed you my account just to show you that, yeah, the account is working. Showed you their balance there, so you see the stuff there. Okay, so transaction charge. So 9k daily, how do we make the 9k daily? Now if you charge 100 naira 100 times to complete your trade, if you're using the Kuda app, you only spend 1000 naira on charges, like 10 naira per one charge, and you make up to 9000 naira daily. So that is the mystery about 9000 naira daily. So you need to charge a transaction charge, but how do you post it? Now, if you're a merchant, you're a verifying merchant. Let me allow your ad stay for this. Once the person's ad stops, person cannot post an ad. Like this verified merchant here. Once their ad stops, they can't post. Okay. Just showing you some things now. Okay. Alright, so there is not a verified merchant. For you to be able to post an ad, you must have up to 80% completion rate. 80% completion rate before you can post an ad. Okay, and if you do that up to like 100 or 100 successful completion of your trade, and you maintain up to 90% plus, you can apply for to be a Binance merchant and you'll be accepted. Okay, so how do we charge the fee? We post an ad, and we post an ad, and that ad, you say you deduct or so and so stuff, but don't use transaction charge. There's a robot that will track that word, so don't use that term. Or if you don't use that, you tell the person, you have to tell them either on the beginning of the text that you charge to complete your trade. Maybe it can be 100 naira or something. Now, I shared you a strategy on my other video that it's not that you can decide to even do this. You know, like you can even have, if you have the time, you can use larger sums, like buy from $30 worth and charge the same transaction charge. You do it like 5 times. You can be able, if you post that, that's if you cannot post an ad. I'm just telling you, you can still charge transaction fee. What you want to buy instantly, you tell them that you will charge 100 naira as a transaction. If they don't do, you leave them alone. Between the first 3 persons, they likely 2 persons will agree, because let's say you are going to buy up to 17k to him, so he won't see 100 naira as anything to stop you from transacting. I'm telling you, that's the hustler. I shared that strategy on my other video. So people do that up to 50 times in a day and they still make money. That's if they cannot post ads. Okay, so that's the hi guys, welcome to this video. Emperovia here once again, and just a quick one, I'm going to debunk the 9,000 daily charge, okay, on Kuda. I hope you all saw that, and I'm amazed at how everyone came in. Okay, so let's do this is the continuation of the video. So once you're charged, you can come and do your completing of trades and all that stuff. So once you complete your trade, you're good to go and all that. So transaction charge, that's without a transaction charge. Now transaction charge, when you are charging, you don't write like transaction charge. So you go ahead, finish your stuff, then do it like hundreds. You can do it in 1 hour. You can complete over 10 trades. Okay, if you are posting ad, more than 10 or 15 trades. Okay, and they will go on and make that transaction. If you can decide to do 40 times and all that. So, but I'm telling you that you'll be paying through your Kuda app. You can use VBank, but what I'm just sharing you is the one I've been using, Kuda. I'm not really, this strategy is for you if you have time. So what I do, if you have time, like I do a lot of arbitrage. So 100 naira transaction charge may not really be big money for me, but I'm sharing this because it's going to help you also that is not making at least 10k daily online. So you transfer to your Kuda app, because if you use your normal bank app, this strategy will not work for you. So if you do 100 transactions in like buy and you deduct 100 naira, you make up to 9,000 naira daily, because Kuda will just charge you 10 naira per one transaction, and there's no stamp duty, there's no SMS alert charge, and they also give you 25 free transactions in a month. Okay, so guys, this is cool, this is amazing. So go try this out for yourself and thank me later. Download the Kuda app and see you on my other video. Thank you.